Kevin.
Oh,
Kevin.
birthday celebration October.
Smile.
Oh, October yan.
Nice.
May dali po kasi mo nung
Tita
nakalugay.
Gemma.
May tubo po kasi mo nung nakalugay.
All the adults
Ah?
the big cake.
May dali nag-uno.
The kids will have the
One more,
time.
One more.
Come on here.
Mama, look here. Smile.
Ha? Live.
Smile, mama.
Oh, mga October yan. Kaya na. Ma'am, Gemma.
Agora kita lipstick, lipstick ang fan.
You don't need it. First Clive. Clive.
Gemma. Sorry.
Kami, Gemma. This is yours.
It's my birthday too.
This is Gemma, Gemma. Here. No, this one.
Can I go?
Laki naman. Oh, adult. Yung mga adult. Okay. Adult. Yeah, yeah. Kevin.
Who else?
Who else? Wala naman siya. Rosalie. Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Rosalie is behind you.
Hi.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Si Tita Gemma.
Are you October? October? October?
Come here. Clive, come here.
Go beside Tita Gemma. Okay, here.
Here, around here. Here.
Oh, your hoodie. Take off your hoodie.
Pwede ba kanta muna?
To you.
Look here, look here.
Birthday to you.
Look here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Ma'am, look
birthday.
here, mama.
Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow candle. Oh shit. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday! Yes. Advance! Wow!
Kiss mama. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Clive!
Here. Picture.
Okay, help yourself.
No, ginagawa ka na ng choco pasta.
Okay, lemon, red velvet.
Okay.
I don't know what is that. Cedar.
Okay.
Mama, strawberry.
Wait, what do you want?